Hi friends! Since some of you may use a regular planner instead of a bullet journal, I thought you'd like to see how I decorate and personalize my spiral bound planner and bring a plain spread to life. I got this 18-month planner a few months ago at Marshall's for a great price, and I love that it includes stickers, calendars, cute dividers, and other extras. I used to leave it very plain with a few stickers here and there if they were relevant to whatever I wrote in it, but that made the planner look pretty boring. That's why I started trying to decorate every spread of my planner at the beginning of each week. And it has been so fun that I decided to keep doing it this way. First, I choose my stickers. Using just one set or a couple of similar sets for each spread makes it all look more cohesive and aesthetic. Then I'll pick one or two washi tapes that match my stickers to help tie it all together as well. I place them along the lines that separate each section and try to make it look balanced. Last but not least, I'll pick one or two markers that match as well, and I use them to fill out some spaces, drawing some lines, doodles, or outlining the stickers. I'll repeat this process on each spread of my planner. Since there's more space in the weekly view, I'll pick another set of stickers with larger designs, and I'll place the larger stickers on the corners of the spread. This planner's layout allows two separate spaces for each day, so it's also great to place stickers right in the middle. hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, remember to check out all of the links in the description below so you can get your own stickers and other materials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.